Hi guys, welcome back to a new video on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process on how to share Spotify Wrapped to your Instagram story. Now if you think that this video is going to be helpful, then make sure you stick around and watch this video till the end. Open up your Spotify and head over to your Spotify Wrapped. Now there are a few categories that you can choose. Choose any category and open it up and tap on the three dots right here and tap on share. Now after you do that, you should be able to see an option of Instagram stories right here. You can tap on it. Now as soon as you do that, you can see that Wrapped of Spotify will be automatically added to your Instagram stories. Now all you need to do is tap on your story and post it to your Instagram. So that was a quick video on how to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram stories. If you guys liked and enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.